Okay, today we'll study ratio and proportion, part 2. Now remember that uh, some of you just copy from your friends, from a guidebook, or from your tutor without really understanding the concept. That is a bad thing. You should not do that thing. If you have any issues, any problem which you are unable to get the concept, you ask me privately through WhatsApp or through the Google Classroom itself. Because previously, I know this because previously you could answer all the questions when I give you, but just yesterday, I mean day before yesterday, right? When we do by that online quiz, many of you just scored 2 or 3 marks, 2, 3, 4 marks out of 20. That really implies that you just copied the previous problem through your friends. So you be careful now. Try to study. Try to get the concept while studying, and do not just copy for the sake of getting the answers. And one more thing, as I said before, do not hesitate. Okay, do not be shy. Do not hesitate to call to ask me privately. You're not seeing my face. You're not seeing me, so don't no need to feel shy. All right. Now, in exercise 4.1, we have done from number 1 to number 10. We'll do from 11 to 22. What you should know is that I'm not going to solve all the questions. I'm going to solve some part. Okay. Here in this number 11, the question was the ratio is 7:3. What number must be added to get the ratio to 2:3? Now, we don't know. Control of it, ahian chu vai control of chu x kan bel may don ni. 7:3 ahian eng number hinge berila. 2:3 chuak theng atia x kan belang. X kan bel ta 7 a x kan bela 13 a x kan bel boka chuan 2:3. Chuan heta dana hian more le more ka puntir turania alai le lai ka puntir bok tur chu tuk don ni 7 plus x le 3 puntir tu 13 plus x le 2 puntir tu fraction at cross multiply kan tiang chia kan 7 plus x le 3 multiply nga 2 le 13 plus x. Now puntir ke chui thiam to kha 3 le 7 atang 21 na chuaka 3 le x atang 3x 2 le 13 atang 26 2 le x atang 2x. Juan can transpose 3x minus 2x equal to 26 minus 21. Then finally x equals 5. Now let's see what else we have to do. Number 12 see kan tilenga 15. Number 12. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 to 7. If 25 is subtracted from its number, the ratio becomes 35 is to 59. Find the numbers at here. He claimed dang dewa. 5 is to 7 he a number ni lova. 5 is to 7 he a ratio tini. A number tak tak to 15 le 21 poni date hey. 10 le 14 poni date hey ni number tak tak kachu. A number ka kan chote khan 5 is to 7 chod on it. Remota hey antina 10 le 14 de lo inta se hey chokte la 5 is to 7 tho cho kan ni. Chumi omzia chu a number tak tak kan threlowa. Chu wagin he tiang chia chuan a number tak tak threnan number in angin 5 le 7 ka multiply tur ni. Ma ha chu number nang po chu kan thre chuang lova multiply la tur kha. X kan assume le top don ni. X in kan multiply ve ve ang x in 5 kan multiply nga 7 kan multiply bonga. Chuan chu ta tang chuan 25 ka pai ve ve nga. Chuan 35 le 59 ka ron chaw don ni. Let's see. Let the numbers be kan tianga 5i 5x kan dito nga 7 ka 7x alo ito ang x is kan multiply ve ve kan di ka Then you just subtract 25 from both. A question hi karon ziak train lova heta hianin textbook ne khan lo chop top la nang ma kha. The question ka lo en khan char to le 5x minus 25 less 7x minus 25 along with that to the one 35 is to 59. A mam yang bokhat a more le more in punti ranga a lai le line punti bonga. Chu equate le me tu ni ka soi dong han ka chaw sak don lo chua nang ma ni chaw tu ra ni a equation ber ka pe to cheu ka chuan a tok mai ni le tu na number 15 he hi tu la ka ti zo chi ne kha ai nang khop be ya. The present age of Lime and Eli are in the ratio 7:5. After 6 years, their ages will be in the ratio of 4:3. Find their present ages. Nghe ta po yan Lime le Eli kum hi 7 le 5 ti na ni lo. An kum kha chok te la 7 le 5 a chwa don ti ne zo ka ni. Chu wagin an kum kha kan threlova an kuma khan x can multiply le ve ang ratio ka 7x le 5x kan assume le me don ni. So let's Lime's age equal to 7x. Eli's age ka 5x lo ni pele me nga. Chuan kum ruk nuan kum kan chule don ni. Tu na kum som ni chuan kum som par ko don ti na ni ya. Paruk bela ni me ni chu. Ta po ya 7x a paruk kan bel me yang. Ok la ki present ti tur mo tu nan kum. Chuan kum ruk nuan chuan kum som ni ta se kum ruk nuwa chuan kum som paruk alo niang khan 7x to 7x plus 6 ani me tia moin Eli po kha 5x plus 6. Then after okay meter ratio gan nei kum ruk nuan kum ratio to 4:3 ti ni ratio na liang. Therefore 7x plus 6 by 5x plus 6 equals 4:3. To kind of force multiply lang then dahil x ka answer nila why siya dahil turchu answer zo chu 7x le 5x ka answer tur ni. Now let's look at number 16. The ratio of two supplementary angles is 2:7. Find the measure of each angle. Supplementary angle ti omje chu plus 7 a 8 a injer to kha. Angle pat ni bel chua za som red tu kha ni mai. Angle whose sum is 180 degree. Chu wan hi ta hian a angle kan thele lova a ratio cho 1:3 a x ka multiply le ve tu. So the angle to run chua mai 2x less 7x ka angle ani le me don ni. Let the angles be 2x and 7x. Chuan bel ro le za sobra cho don. Tapo hian x kan sar ni lo. Answer chu 2x le 7x in don. X ka chu chuanga 2 ni multiply ang 7 ni multiply ang. Then let's do number 17. Divide rupees 1554 in the ratio 3:7:11 tin ya. 3:7:11. Tapo yan x ni multiply le chewang kum tin ka. A ratio tin ka. Then it becomes very simple. Shared this also ama saber ka let first share ka 3x kan tianga second ka 7x alo nianga then third share ka 11x then you just add them again bel top tour a bel chua ka za sang ka zanga songa pe 1554 3x plus 7x plus 11x equal to 1554 a chok ha chu in ha le to ni choi to khan ta point x ka answer ni chuang lo answer chu 3x te 7x te 11x to de khin don ni now 18 and 19 here chocolate here example ne kha no bele la hai ta number 20 in a mixture of 42 liters the ratio of alcohol and water is 6:1 if 3 liters of water be mixed in it find the ratio of alcohol and water in the new mixture zule tui chopol khaliter somli pani oma and ratio chu zule tui ka 6:1 ani tui ka kan bel don liter thum tu nan ratio ngelo ta tinani zona chu le atira mi ka kan chu chop potang tui le zu ka alcohol le water ka zani om 6:1 atia x ni kan multiply le ve me don ne chumi nuwa a value ta kan threat nuwa tui ka kan belang alcohol ka chu bela om ve lem lova chuan ratio thara kan chu le don ne 6x le x ka ani le me don tinania 6x le x kan belanga 42 chuanga rang kan x value chu chuanga 6x value chu chuanga x top value chu chu le bonga let volume of alcohol ka 6x there or 6:1 the alcohol ka 6 and that ratio join water ka 1x 1x kan tingai lo x kan ti mai 1x so x sa chwa again then add them kan bel khan somni pani 42 liters ka chwa don 6x plus x equal 42 7x equal to 42 x2 6 ani mo chua 7 6 are 42 chuan 2 liter ruk om tinania alcohol chu 6 into 6 36 in don ni chu volume of water equal to 6 liter volume of alcohol equals 6 into 6 equal to 36 liter chuan daga se kan tui kha kan bel don 3 liters of water be mix atia new volume of water kan tia alcohol kha belangai lo alcohol kha engma soi lo new volume of water chu 6 plus 6 6 plus 3 sir 6 plus 3 equal to 9 liter alcohol kha bel bengai lo engma soi lo chuan ratio kan la to me don ti khian 9 le new ratio chu volume of alcohol by new volume of water alcohol kha chu ngai renga chu wangin engma soi dang lama ngai lo 36 thau khani don 36 by 9 chu 4 more 4 by 1 4:1 kan te khani ratio ni van when was soi lan te la ya 4:1 okay finally number 21 he kan chok leang in a bag there are rupees 1 rupees ngoro he chu tle min dang lam dewa akwa se kan type sang chu In a bag, there are rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 10 coins in the ratio 5:6:2. If there are in all rupees 925, find the number of each type of coin. Double clicking. Ta hian 5x 6x 2x kha ti le tho tur ne ma se kha be bel kha 925 kha ti ngot thei to lo a san ju cheng khat kha pangaom se cheng khat ania a cheng kha pangaom se cheng ania ma ha cheng ni paru gom kha cheng ru ko ni ve to lo cheng ni paru chu cheng so pa ni dei ni cheng som pa ni om kha cheng ni loin cheng som ni dei to chu vai a hlut na kha chu chu te la ngai to ni dei chuan cheng khat chu om za chu kan multiply le 5x chu ni don cheng hi om za po 6x kan tiang cheng som om za po 2x kan ti me yang mar chu khang pathum bel khan 5x 6x te 2x kan 925 kha chuak to her lo ni a chan chu a poisa zat a hlut na zat kha ani tlat lo vai a hlut na zat kha amal te ting an chhut le don ani chulai ta chuna he question hi adang lam bi na cheng khat kha za om se cheng za ni cheng ni za om se cheng za to lo cheng za ni dei okay cheng khat kha 5x ko tile potang dia mungkin cheng ni kha 6x mo cheng ni thir cheng som thir two x kan ti le ta ni ta se do kan hei bel khan 925 ka chuang ngot te to lo a hlun na ka hriat angai cheng khat khat panga chu cheng nga ni cheng hi paru kha cheng ru kan tat lo chi vai ngin a hlun na ka kan chut le lo ko value de value of total rupees 1 coin after na kan multiply to cheng khat into 5x so to 5x ani jam bokin cheng ni kha rupees 10 coin cheng so multiply ngai into 2x that is 12x le after x the hagan built he ta heng pathum bel hi chuan 925 kha thluk to 5x plus 12x plus 20x equals 925 So x is 25 for me. John said photo on x answer and x answer to 5x66 let 2x kan find the number of each type of coin at the Jen kat yêu sang om Jen hiang sang om Jen so me sang om Jen kat thi rom za chu 5 into 25 125 rupees 2 ka 6 khatia zel khan ki bel chok le la se za ko som ni panga che kha chole don ne